Bro, let me ask you something. What really makes a woman miss a man? Is it when he's constantly texting her, giving her all his attention, always available? Or is it when she can't have him whenever she wants? Most guys think being around all the time is what keeps a woman interested, but that's not how it works. People don't miss what they always have. Think about it. When something is always in front of you, you stop noticing it. But the second it's gone, suddenly you want it. That's just human nature. Now, I'm not saying to play games or disappear just to get a reaction. That's weak. What I'm saying is, if you want a woman to truly miss you, you need to create that emotional pull. You need to be the guy who adds something real to her life. And then, every now and then, let her feel what it's like without you. It's not about ignoring her. It's about being a man with a life so valuable, so interesting, that when you're not around, she feels it, she notices, and that's when she starts craving your presence. Let's break down exactly how to make that happen. Point 1. Give her space to feel your absence. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you truly missed something? Not just noticed it was gone, but felt its absence? It wasn't something you had unlimited access to, right? See, that's the thing. People don't crave what's always in front of them. They crave what they think they might lose. Now, apply this to attraction. If you're always texting her, always available, always there whenever she wants, she never has a chance to miss you. She doesn't get that moment of wondering where you are, what you're doing, or why she hasn't heard from you. And that wondering, that's where the emotional craving starts. Think about it like this. You don't really notice when your phone buzzes all the time, but the moment it goes silent, suddenly you start checking. Did I miss something? Did someone text me? That little gap of uncertainty makes you pay attention. And that's exactly how a woman feels when you stop flooding her with attention. Let her sit with that silence for a bit. Let her want to hear from you instead of just expecting it. Because when she finally does reach out, it won't be out of habit. It will be because she genuinely misses your presence. And that's how you make a woman miss you. Not by forcing it, not by playing games, but by creating space for her to realize how much she actually wants you in her life. Point 2. Keep your life exciting without her. Bro, listen, if your whole world revolves around her, she's never gonna feel like she's missing out when you're not around. Why? Because nothing is changing. There's no void to fill. But if she sees you out there actually living, hitting the gym, chasing goals, traveling, hanging out with people who bring good energy, she's gonna start feeling that space you left. And here's the thing, women are naturally drawn to men who have momentum. A guy who's moving forward, who has his own thing going on, who's not just sitting around waiting for her to respond. If she logs onto Instagram and sees you out having the time of your life, laughing, doing something exciting, leveling up, she's not gonna scroll past that. She's gonna feel it. She's gonna think, damn, I used to be part of that. But you can't fake this. Don't just post pictures pretending you're having fun. Actually go build a life that excites you. Find things you're passionate about, push yourself, set new goals. Not only will this make her miss you, but it'll make you feel better, more confident, and just all around that guy. Because at the end of the day, a woman doesn't just miss a man, she misses the experience of being with him. And when she sees you thriving without her, she won't just wonder where you went, she'll wonder how she can get back in. Point 3. Avoid falling for the attention trap. Alright man, this is where a lot of guys mess up. You start pulling back a little, giving her space, and then boom, she suddenly pops up. Maybe she posts a fire selfie, something a little more extra than usual. Or she starts liking your posts, commenting, maybe even throwing up a cryptic quote about missing what you had. That's the trap. She's testing you. She wants to see if you'll break, if you'll rush in and give her the validation she's fishing for. And the second you do, game over. She knows she still has you wrapped around her finger. So what do? Nothing. You stay cool. You don't like her pictures. You don't slide in her DMS. You don't react. And trust me, that's gonna drive her crazy. Because now, instead of getting the reassurance she was looking for, she's left wondering, wait, why isn't he biting? Has he moved on? That little bit of uncertainty? That's gold. It makes her miss you even more. Because now, she's not just thinking about you, she's chasing the feeling of having your attention again, and that's exactly where you want to be. Point 4. Be mysterious and unpredictable. Bro, let me tell you something. Predictability is boring. If she always knows exactly when you'll text, what you're doing, and how you feel about her, there's no excitement, No curiosity, no mystery. And if there's no mystery, there's nothing to chase. Now, I'm not saying you should ghost her or act like some cold, distant dude. That's not the move, but you do need to keep her guessing. Maybe one day you're super engaged, vibing with her, and the next, you're busy handling your own life. Maybe sometimes you reply instantly, and other times you take your time. Not to play games, but to show that you have your own world that doesn't revolve around her. See, when a woman can't fully figure you out, that's when you stay on her mind. She starts wondering, what's he up to? Why isn't he texting me like usual? Is he thinking about me? That uncertainty makes her crave your attention even more. So don't be an open book. Give her enough to stay interested, but not so much that she knows the whole story. Because when she's left wondering about you, she's thinking about you. And when she's thinking about you, she's missing you. Point 5. Make her feel special, then pull away. Alright bro, this one is pure psychology. If you really want her to miss you, you have to give her something worth missing. And that means creating moments that feel real, deep, and unforgettable. When you're with her, be fully there. Make her laugh. Hold eye contact. Make her feel like she's the only woman in the world for those moments. Pay attention to the little things she says. Remember details. Tease her in a playful way that makes her feel connected to you. When a woman feels seen, heard, and desired, it sticks in her mind. And here's where it gets powerful. You pull away. Not in a cold way, not in a rude way, just subtly. You're not texting her all day. You're not checking in constantly. You're busy. And now, she's left sitting with those amazing moments, replaying them in her head. That contrast is what hooks her. It's like watching an insane episode of a show, and just when it's getting good, boom, cliffhanger. And now she's thinking, when's the next episode? When do I get that feeling again? That's how you make her crave you. Not by being distant all the time, but by giving her an emotional high and then letting her feel its absence. Point 6. Create jealousy subtly. Alright bro, let's talk about one of the most powerful emotional triggers, jealousy. But listen, I'm not saying you should go out your way to make her jealous or play toxic games. That's a rookie move. Instead, you do it subtly. Just enough to make her feel that she's not the only one who sees your value. See, when a woman thinks she has you all to herself, she gets comfortable. But the second she senses that other women might have their eyes on you, that's when her competitive side kicks in. Suddenly she wants to claim her spot. And the best part? You don't even have to try too hard. Maybe she sees a pic of you out having fun with a female friend in the background. Maybe you casually mention that a co-worker complimented your new shirt. Maybe you're just too busy to text back right away, and now she's wondering who's got his attention. That little dose of uncertainty is powerful. It reminds her that you're a high-value man, and if she doesn't step up, someone else might, and that's when she stops taking you for granted and starts chasing you.